Silky steamed eggs. Yes, I remember. We did this also in the early days. It's a savory egg custard, similar to creme brulee but not sweet. And we used it for our broth. They call it also consomme royal. I remember that. Where you have your eggs, make it with your chicken broth, and when you have chicken broth, make sure your chicken broth is flavorful. Steam it for 15 minutes approximately, yeah. Cut. And then here they add sesame oil. Sesame oil and soy sauce. This adding flavor to it, yes. Nice. Looks pretty good already. It's similar to creme brulee, but is savory. Nice.